Mr Orbán, welcome. After the 6-month farce of the Belgian presidency, it's nice to see an elected Prime Minister from a proper country. And how I enjoyed your denouncement of communism as a dangerous ideology, and I noted the pride that you took in the fact that Hungary were the first country to take up arms against the Soviet Union. Well, 20 years after you won back your ability to govern yourselves democratically, you are now part of a new political union that increasingly shows similarities with that old Soviet Union. In fact, you are going to meet lots of communists over the next 6 months, including the boss of the Commission here, old Barroso, who was an advocate of Chairman Mao. You will see centralised economic planning and control, and above all what you will see is the desire to impose a political union upon the peoples of Europe without their consent. Wake up, Mr Orbán. Look how they are trying to bully you this morning. They are trying to tell you how to run your own country. Tell them where to go. Stand up and fight for democracy once again.
Well said.